Hello everyone, I am Cleverfly, and this column Cleverfly's advice. And advice to you today: celebrate all the successes. No matter how small, a win is a win, especially when we talk losses harder than we should. Take advantage of it. We all like celebrating, don't we? But do we do enough of it? There is a lot of reasons to celebrate: sporting victories, birthdays, weddings, new job and ways of doing it, party, slap up male persons, and so the list could go on and on. Whatever we want to change, achieve or have more of, be it money, health, fitness, romance, happiness, success lies at the heart of it. A large part of success is about your state of mind, so it's about having a success mindset. And this success mindset required cultivation. Motivation is also connected to mindset because we are motivated by our successes. So give yourself as many opportunities to be successful as you can. Celebrating success isn't necessarily just about you. It might be, but it can also give others the chance to join in with your celebration, be motivated, and have a share in your success. And a good point to remember is you have to recognize your own success if you want other people to as well. I hope this information will be useful. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!